So India made one thing very clear: terror and talks cannot happen simultaneously. They don't go hand in hand. Neither will blood and water flow together. These are two red lines India has drawn for Pakistan. Now there is the clear red line on terror. Union Defence Minister Rajnath Singh today insisted if Pakistan is serious about talks with India, if Pakistan is serious about dialogue, then the masterminds of 26/11 Mumbai terror attacks and the Pahalgam terror attacks, along with Pulwama, Hafiz Saeed and Masood Azhar, should be handed over to India. Now, he insists that these are global UN-designated terrorists. They're globally designated as terrorists, but they get patronage in Pakistan. The big question is, will these Nishane-Pakistan or Nishane-Terroristan be handed over to India?
बात होगी तो आतंकवाद पर होगी, बात होगी तो पाक ऑक्युपाइड कश्मीर पर होगी.
Defence Minister Rajnath Singh once again makes it unequivocally clear. India will only engage in dialogue with Pakistan on two issues: terrorism and return of Pakistan-occupied Kashmir. Rajnath Singh was speaking from INS Vikrant, India's first indigenously built aircraft carrier. The visit comes weeks after the Indian Navy's Strategic Carrier Battle Group, led by Vikrant, played a decisive role in Operation Sindoor.
साथियों, इस पूरे इंटीग्रेटेड ऑपरेशन में नौसेना की भूमिका बहुत ही गौरवशाली रही है. ऑपरेशन सिंदूर के दौरान जब वायुसेना ने पाकिस्तान की धरती पर आतंक के अड्डों को ध्वस्त किया, तब अरब सागर में आपकी आक्रामक तैनाती, बेजोड़ मैरीटाइम डोमेन अवेयरनेस और समुद्री वर्चस्व ने पाकिस्तानी नेवी को उसके ही तटों के पास सीमित कर दिया. विक्रांत कैरियर बैटल ग्रुप की फोर्सफुल एक्शन ने भी हमारे इरादे और क्षमता का प्रभावी संकेत दिया है.
What truly grabbed eyeballs was his direct message to India's rogue neighbor.
अगर पाकिस्तान ने फिर वही गलती की, यानी पाकिस्तान ने फिर वही गलती की, तो भारत का उत्तर और भी कठोर होगा और इस बार उसे संभलने का मौका भी नहीं मिलेगा.
He further told the aggressor nation to stop playing the victim card and demanded that Pakistan hand over UN-designated terrorists Hafiz Saeed and Masood Azhar to India.
अगर पाकिस्तान बातचीत को लेकर गंभीर है, तो उसे हाफिज सईद और मसूद अजहर जैसे आतंकवादियों को भारत को सुपुर्द करना चाहिए, ताकि उनके साथ भी इंसाफ किया जा सके. उनके साथ का इंसाफ कैसा होना चाहिए, यह मुझे बताने की जरूरत नहीं है.
Lashkar-e-Taiba chief Hafiz Saeed was the mastermind of the 2000 Chitti Singhpura massacre, the 2001 Parliament attack, and the 2006 Mumbai serial train blast. He also orchestrated the 26/11 Mumbai terror attacks that took 166 innocent lives. One of the attackers, Ajmal Kasab, was caught alive and later executed in 2012. Hafiz Saeed's Lashkar was also behind the Pahalgam massacre, where 25 tourists were killed solely on the basis of religion and a local was killed for fighting the terrorist. On the other hand, Jaish-e-Mohammed chief Masood Azhar is responsible for the 2001 Parliament attack, the Pathankot air base attack and the Pulwama terror attack of 2019, where a suicide bomber targeted a CRPF convoy, resulting in the deaths of 40 personnel. Both these UN-designated terrorists have repeatedly attacked India under the protection and patronage of Pakistan. India has sent a clear and uncompromising message, both to the world and to Pakistan, that any act of terror will be met with a decisive response.
जो दुश्मन गिड़गिड़ा रहा था, वो किसी धोखे में न रहे. ऑपरेशन सिंदूर अभी खत्म नहीं हुआ है.
Operations like Sindoor will become the norm, not the exception. Will Pakistan fall in line, or will it resort to its old terror games again? Bureau Report, India Today.